Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a clutch and a pressure plate on a 5.0 liter V8 Ford. What you're going to need to do this job is a 3/4 socket, doesn't matter the ratchet really, and a clutch guide tool. Alright guys, so you want to take your clutch and you notice that there's going to be a side that has the springs poking out of the front of it. And then there's basically almost a flat side. So you want to take that flat side and put it against the motor. Put your guide tool in, and basically the tip of that guide tool goes into your pilot shaft bearing. And then you push the clutch as far onto the engine as you can. Now what you want to do is, you want to take your pressure plate, put it over the clutch like this. You want to line up all your dowel pins. I have mine lined up just as yet. One moment. And there it is. Alright. What I usually do now is I'll use something heavy or a hammer and tap it on so that the pins get in properly before you start to screw them in. So I'll get a hammer and start tapping onto it. So there's some light taps. Shouldn't need a lot of force. Shouldn't need a lot of force to go on. Alright, there you have it. Then you want to start taking your bolts, getting them in hand tight. I don't think these are the bolts. Nope, not the bolts. Okay. Blooper reel. I'll go get the bolts. Okay, and I'm back and I have the right bolts, hopefully this time. And there we go. Just get them in there finger tight. Alright, for the clutch bolts, you're going to need a 6.13 to install them. Let's try to get all as hand tight as we can. You don't have to do the hand tightening in any type of pattern because you're not pulling the disc down just yet. Just make sure that the clutch stays straight. Alright, now that everything is hand tight, you can put it on your ratchet. Just go in an X pattern. Starts to pull down, go to the other one. That one starts to pull down, you go to the other. Basically the same as if you were installing a flywheel. You'll notice that the fingers on the pressure plate will start to flex downward in the center as you tighten it down. When everything is properly tightened down, you should be able to just pull out your clutch guide and the clutch doesn't move. And that's how you install a clutch and pressure plate on a 5.0 liter V8 Mustang.